In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create parallax scrolling effects in Webflow. Parallax scrolling can enhance your website by adding a touch of depth and dynamism, drawing users in with a more interactive experience. So, let's dive into how you can achieve this effect using Webflow in just a few simple steps. First, you'll want to navigate to the Webflow site. For those who might be new to Webflow, it's a visual website builder that allows you to create custom websites without having to write code. So, open your browser and type in webflow.com. Once you're there, you'll see an option to log in at the top right corner. Click on that button to get started. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Webflow dashboard. The dashboard is your control center where you manage all your projects. Scroll through your list of projects and select the one you want to work on. This will open up the Webflow Designer, a space where you can visually design and develop your website. Once your project is open, your next step is to explore the Interactions panel. You can find the Interactions icon on the top right of the designer, symbolized by a small lightning bolt. Clicking on this will reveal a menu of different interactive elements you can incorporate into your design. Now, because we're focusing on parallax scrolling today, you'll want to scroll through these options until you find While Page is Scrolling. This feature is key to creating the smooth scrolling effects associated with parallax. By selecting this option, you're setting the stage for your elements to move at varying speeds as the user scrolls down the page. When you've clicked on While Page is Scrolling, you'll want to set your initial states for the elements you wish to animate. These initial states determine where and how your elements will appear when the page loads. Think of these as your starting points. After setting your initial states, you assign different values throughout the scrolling timeline to see how those elements transition as the user interacts with the page. It's like plotting keyframes in an animation. Each point you set dictates how an element appears or where it moves during scrolling. Adjust these keyframes to make sure your animations feel fluid and natural. And with that, you've configured a basic parallax scrolling effect in Webflow. Remember, the beauty of parallax scrolling lies in subtlety. Don't overdo it. Keep it smooth and consistent. Experiment with different movements and speeds until you find the perfect blend that enhances your page without being too distracting. That's all there is to it. With practice, you'll be crafting engaging parallax effects in no time. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!